This lovely little Peckett loco by Hornby named Dodo arrived today on the 24th of December, an early Christmas present. If you pause the video on the box details you can see all you want about the history. Hornby's done well in presenting all of it. Lovely little loco, but let's take a look at her running. That's what people want to see. How much can she pull, and does she run smoothly through the points? As you can see, right from the box, she's smooth as silk. For a short wheelbase 040, you do need to make sure the track is clean to give her every chance. And now for the big test, does she run through point work okay? I found generally speaking that she does. The point work on my layout is all standard Hornby dead frog. I would imagine if you had electro frog you'd have virtually no problems at all. So how much can she pull? Well, here she is pulling some earlier Hornby wagons. Some of them are not particularly free running, but she's managing 15 with just a tiny bit of slip, which is probably more than the prototype would have done anyway. Her excellent haulage capacity comes about because Hornby has incorporated a lot of real metal into the frames and body.